Bloomberg Audio Studios. Podcasts, radio, news.
The Stock Movers Report, your roundup of companies making moves in the stock market, harnessing the power of Bloomberg data.
Take a look at some of the stocks on the move today. We can do that with Bloomberg's Bailey Lipschultz. Billy, what are you looking at?
Yeah, I want to start with Celsius Holdings, ticker CELH, the $15 billion energy drink maker, beating expectations right now, up about 15%. Management talking up the demand, the diversification of energy drinks. They have a female-focused energy drink that is driving some pretty darn good growth. That is the Alani Nu, which management and analysts really say is a potential long-term growth driver. I don't know about you guys. I don't know. Energy drinks, not really my cup of tea. I'm more of a double Americano when I want caffeine.
Okay. All right.
But
interesting. Double short mocha here. There you go.
Oh, okay.
Yep.
Nice. Respect it.
Yep.
Also then going to pivot to Snowflake, ticker SNOW, one of my favorite tickers. Right now up 6%, biggest intraday gain at its highs since August. This is one of those stocks that just has been beaten down heavily with investors selling down some of the software stocks. Even with today's rally, it is down 18% year to date. Okay. And even looking through the analyst notes, pretty solid print, not too great. Looking at their forward guidance, better than was expected. But some of the traders that I talked to were saying, management team maybe being a bit more optimistic than expected. So we are seeing maybe some short covering or just people taking some of those bets on Snowflake right now.
I tell you, boy, if I was a hedge fund, I'd be in my boss saying, I think we need to buy them. I think we need to just go in there and buy all these names that are down 20, 30%.
It's tough. It's one of those things.
Call one way or the other.
Exactly. You can make a ton of money and you're now the guy who, like Michael Burry, you were right one time and we write books and make TV shows about you, or...
I'd probably be the other guy. All right, Nvidia.
The one that matters. Nvidia, ticker NVDA, right now down 3.7%. Worst day in, call it 2.5 weeks or 3 weeks. Came after pretty darn good earnings, at least at the face value, beating expectations on revenue, gross margin still looking strong, just year over year growth north of 70%. The big debate around the company and the entire AI ecosystem, obviously, is at what point is there a slowdown? At what point does hyperscaler CapEx hit its kind of breaking point? Analysts still, again, across the board, more or less bullish, but the big puts and takes or debates on some of the desks so far this morning is, when does that kind of max out? You can't grow at 70% forever.
The Stock Movers Report from Bloomberg Radio. Check back with us throughout the day for the latest roundup of companies making news on Wall Street. And for the latest market-moving headlines, listen to Bloomberg Radio live. Catch us on YouTube, Bloomberg.com, and on Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with the Bloomberg Business app.